Okay, let's do an exercise with that. You need another person with that. Have a real conversation with another person, either live or over the phone, and discover these phases of life. Focus just on the two phases and the shift and the relief moment and the trigger or the Yudin. So in that talk, in that conversation, focus on what was the Yudin. What was the adaptation? How did the body react? How did the mind react? What was the actually relief moment? How did they know it was a relief? How did they experience that? And what was the restoration phase? How did they perceive that? What did they do psychologically? How did they feel? What did their body do? So take about 45 minutes for that and have a real conversation with somebody. There's a download that helps you to find out what the phases are and to help you ask the questions. Ready? Go.
Now remember to subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything. Just hit the subscribe button.